Noodles!
Let's cook some noodles. Use the spoon to prepare the noodle dough. Use the noodle maker. The noodles are ready.
Ramen noodles are thin, chewy, and smooth. Add oil. Minced onions. Minced ginger. Minced garlic. Fry the ingredients. Add chicken stock.
What do you want to eat? Purple cabbage, dried tofu, fried egg, tomato. If the noodles are done, let your customers try them.
Noodles! Noodles originated in China with a history of thousands of years. There are various ways to make noodles with unique flavors across different regions.